If Steam is giving you an installation error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a quick and effective fix step by step. This is one of the easiest solutions to try first, and in many cases it solves the problem without needing any advanced troubleshooting. Whether the game is failing to install, getting stuck, or throwing an error message during download, this method can often get Steam working again in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes and gaming guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Steam on your computer. Once Steam is open, look at the top left corner of the window and click Steam. From the menu that appears, click Settings. This will open up the Steam Settings panel where you can adjust different download and account options. Now in the Settings window, go to the Download section. This is where Steam manages download behavior, server region, and cache settings. One of the most common reasons for installation problems is a bad connection to the current download server, so the first thing you want to do is change the download region. Click the drop-down menu and select a different region that is close to your actual location, or try another nearby server if the current one is causing issues. After that, look for the option that says Clear Download Cache. Click it to remove temporary files that may be interfering with the download or installation process. Steam may ask you to sign in again after clearing the cache, and that is completely normal. This step can fix corrupted data that often causes install errors, slow downloads, or failed updates. Once the cache has been cleared, restart Steam completely. Make sure you close the program fully and open it again so the changes can take effect. Restarting is important because Steam needs to reconnect to the new download region and rebuild its download session with a fresh cache. Before trying the installation again, double check that you have enough disk space available on the drive where you want to install the game. If your storage is nearly full, Steam may fail during installation even if everything else is set correctly. Free up some space if needed, then go back and try installing the game again. If the install still fails, repeat the process one more time and make sure the selected download region is stable and that no background downloads are taking up bandwidth. Sometimes a simple region change and cache reset is enough to fix the issue immediately, especially if the error was caused by a temporary Steam server problem or a corrupted local download file. So to quickly recap, open Steam, go to Settings, switch to Downloads, change the download region, clear the download cache, restart Steam, make sure you have enough disk space, and then try the installation again. In most cases, that fixes the Steam installation error and gets your game downloading properly. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful fixes just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.